everyone, it's Patrick with The Real Herb Market, and today we're doing an unboxing video for Ivory Isis Herbals, and she sent us her package. This is what you can expect. That's the point of these unboxing videos, is to let you know what you can expect when you order from a vendor or seller on The Real Herb Market. And so there we go. All right. Some confetti used for some shipping. Again, a nice little there. So that holds up the thing nice. You can recycle that, which is really cool. Nice little thank you card. And let's see what we have here. All right. So this is what you can expect. She's using glass, which is really nice. She's got full on all the ingredients listed here. She has nice label work. And she's got the Earthly Ease Salve and the Queen of Hungary Water Toner. And then there's a couple more here that she has sent. Oh, one more, excuse me. And that is the Lush Lilac Body Butter. I love it. And she's using canning jars, which is a really great way because they're reusable. And I like the overall presentation. I think she's done a great job here. I can just smell the lavender as I open it up. It just really hit me, which is kind of great. I love that that scent experience part of it. So again, this is Ivory Isis Herbals. Thank you so much.